Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to simply check your Windows PC full specification. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do on your Windows keyboard, what you need to do is to press Windows plus R, and this run dialog box here is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to come to the column right here and type in ms info 32. So click on that and then hit on OK, and in a few seconds you will have all your system information right here, starting from OS, Microsoft Windows 10 Pro. You can scroll down and read every details about the PC in just a simple command. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply know your PC full specification in your Windows PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.